Busy waiting for Tams. It's very hard to get her to do anything before 9 a.m.
But I'm ready and off to go. Hey, it's 8:30. What you talking about?
Yeah, well, we've been up since like 7. It's a really good day in Munich. The sun is not too bright, which is great because we have a lot of walking to do today. We are on our way to the BMW Welt, which is their headquarters. Apparently it's really cool inside there. And then after that we are going to the Olympia stadium, which is one of the stadiums that they built for the Olympics, I think in 1972. And then thereafter we are walking to, I think, a garden, the English garden, which is a park. And apparently that's also really beautiful. So those are the 3 things we got planned for today. That's where we're going. Another 1.7 Ks. Look at Tams getting in her professional pose, squatting there.
One thing I really love about Europe is just the nature and all these parks. It's just so beautiful. Like, you'll just be walking in a residential area and all of a sudden you become this most gorgeous park. It is beautiful. I love it. Can't decide on one color? I'll change for you.
What's really cool about this place is that it's a free entrance. So BMW Welt is free, but the museum you have to pay. Unfortunately, it's closed today. I think it's because it's a public holiday or something. But you can also come to the dealership and actually order your car from here, and it will get shipped anywhere to any country around the world. So that's really cool as well. This is Tamrin's favorite car brand. Got Sam showing us how good she can drive.
On one hand, baby. This BMW is absolutely epic. I just hoped all BMWs were like this. So when you're purchasing your car, this is like a full-on experience. This was so cool. But now we're headed off to the Olympia Stadium.
Throw away all your
have made it to the Olympic Park
Olympia.
/ stadium. The Olympia Park / stadium. It's really beautiful here.
Really beautiful. Just look at that view.
The building's actually also really cool. It's like a canopy tent type of thing.
The buildings are also really cool. It's like a canopy, but it was made in 1972, which is the most phenomenal part.
It still looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, very well maintained.
We're gonna walk around and see what else there is here, but if you want to relax, have a picnic, this is the park to do it at.
Definitely. But we're gonna go visit English Park, the biggest park in Europe.
One of the biggest parks in Europe, I think. We've decided we're gonna take the bus. We've already done like 8 Ks today.
And that's another 5.
It's another 6 Ks. And that's not even walking around there. So we're gonna take the bus so we can save our legs.
I'm feeling it, I love it. Like every day is sunny. Turn it up to 100. And it just gets better. And it just gets better.
So this is our goal. We are currently situated over here. We're going to walk across into the English Garden. This is one of the largest parks in Europe. We're going to walk in here. We're going to find a path that walks us all the way up here-ish somewhere. And then we're going to walk across back to our hotel. That's around 3 Ks. So we're getting another ice cream to go.
We have made it to the English Garden.
Yay! After all of that, we have made it.
Tams, I told you to leave your poo in the toilet. This park is really cool.
We found all the locals. There's like a whole bunch of like hidden restaurants throughout the park, and they're like swarming with people. Like I feel like the whole of Germany's in there.
The whole of Germany.
Oh, it's an exaggeration, but you know what I mean.
It feels like a forest in here, so it's really cool. It's nice to walk around. Doesn't actually feel like we're in the city.
Turn left onto Osterwaldstrasse.
3 Ks later, and we're finally leaving the park.